Now we want to know that our text is over there or not. So previously we just used cat command. So we will use cat abc. You can see that text is over here. Hello guys, so today we will be seeing how we can install Linux into a virtual machine, and we'll also be seeing some of the commands which we can use in our daily usage. So let's get started. First we will be creating a new virtual machine. So we click on new. We will name our machine my Linux. I have named, and we will have to select the ISO file of the Linux or the distribution which we are going to install. So I will select CentOS, which I am going to use in this video. For that we will just proceed further, and we can select how much resources, hardware resources we have to allocate to our virtual machine. So these are mine. I'm using 20 GB of virtual hard disk. So let it be saved, and we will finish it. And we will hit the start. Now we have to select the DVD, like on the same ISO file, so that we can boot into it and proceed further with the installation steps. Now we can navigate to the top and with install CentOS Stream 9. Let's wait for some time. So the setup is executed. We will select the language, the keyboard, hit continue. Now we will be selecting our installation destination. This is the virtual hard disk which we have created earlier. Let us select. Yeah, now it's done. To create a root password, it's a palindrome, so we have to click done twice. Let's create a user like my Linux. We have to give it password. After successfully creating the passwords, you can click the begin installation. Now this process will take a few minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes, so I will be fast forwarding with the process. Let's begin. Oops. Okay, so we will just skip this part. Now we can see that we got the desktop over here. Now we will just search for terminal, hit enter, sorry. So at first we have to know that in which directory we are working. For that we will use the command pwd. We know that we are working in this directory. After that we wanted to know that what are the files or folders we are having in this directory. So for that we can use ls command. So we can see the various folders over here. Now if we want to create a file, for example, to create a file which names abc, so we can use touch command and give the file name abc. Now we want to see that our file is created or not, then we can again type ls. You can see that we got abc over here. Okay, so if we want to know what is inside a file, then we will use cat command and the file name, which is abc. And we can see there is nothing over here. So now we want to write something in our file. So for that we can use echo command, and the text in the comma, sorry, apostrophe, right, this is my text, and the sign in the file abc. We will hit enter. You can say ls command, that file is over there. Now we want to know that our text is over there or not. So previously we just used cat command, so we will use cat abc. You can see that text is over here. So these are some basic day-to-day life commands which we should know as a Linux user, and we will further learning about these commands and more commands. So hit the like button, share your thoughts on the comments, and if you have any doubt you can also ask them in comments. Thank you.